Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I say welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Learn with Muhammad Sajid. Whether you are a class 7 student, a curious learner, or a parent wanting to teach your child, this video will help you understand and solve GST word problems easily. Step by step explanation, real life examples, and guaranteed clarity. Let's make maths simple, smart, and scoring. Before I start this video, I would like to say you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Muhammad Sajid to get all new videos easily, and like and share this video to help promote knowledge. Let's start the video. Okay, we are going to solve part A of this question number 2, where the price of the car is rupees 1,856,000 and GST rate is equal to 17%. 17%, and we have to find the total amount. Total amount of money, total amount. We have to find the total amount. And how can we find the total amount? Yes, total amount is equal to GST plus price. So to find GST, we should find the GST rate into the price, which is 1,856,000, and rate, you know what is the rate? Rate is equal to 17%. And the price, again I am writing 1,856,000. So we will cut these two zero here and we will just multiply. Yes. GST is equal to rupees 315,520. This is GST. Now, yes, the total amount. Is equal to GST plus price. So GST, again I am writing 315,520 plus price given above 1,856,000. So I am going to add these two here on the left side. 0 2 5 5 6 11 5 1 6 7 8 3 11 2. Yes, so this is the total amount. Total amount, if we, so this is rupees 21,520. So this is the answer. Question 2, part B. Motorbike price rupees 125,000 and GST rate is equal to 17%. Total Yes, total amount we have to find, and again I will say total amount, yes, total amount is equal to GST plus price. So price is given, GST is not found. So first we will find GST. So GST is equal to rate into price, and rate is given. The rate is 17% and price is 125,000. As these two zero are going to cut with this, and we got, so in the rest of sides I multiplied this 1250 to 17 and reach this point. So what is this is the GST. So we can say that GST is equal to rupees 21250. Now total amount is very easy, which is, again we can say that price plus GST or GST plus price, price plus GST, and we know the price is 12500 and GST 21250. So on rough websites I have here and written these two amounts and going to add them, 5 to 6. So this is the total amount. If total amount which a buyer has to pay to purchase bike, this is 146250. Yes, this is 146,250. This is rupees. Within third part C of this question number 2, where we have the price of the bus, which is rupees 7,500,000, and rate for GST is given of GST is equal to 17%. What we have to do, we have to find the total amount which a buyer have to pay to purchase this bus. And we also know that total, yes, total amount should be or would be price of the bus plus GST. We know the rate, but we don't have the GST amount first. So first we will find GST. GST in the, and how can we find GST? GST is equal to rate multiplied by price. So price is given and rate is also given. Rate is 17% and price is 7500 and then 000. So this is 17. These two zero will be cut off with this, and now this amount will remain and this. So we will multiply this, we will get GST. Yes, I am In the end, I would like to say thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Subscribe for more lessons. Learn with Muhammad Sajid.